Hello people, it's Moan and welcome back to yet another video. And as you can see, I'm unplaiting these braids that I plaited at the beginning of this month. So join me as I unplait and take you through my hair routine. Yeah. So guys, these braids were so easy to unplait. They took me less time. They were so easy to unplait and I had fun with them. Since they were big, I didn't even have to use the two combs I showed you. So I used my fingers to remove all those braids. It was so easy. So guys, for my hair mask, I got myself aloe vera. So I first wash it very well to get that off. Then I cut off the sides because they are thorns. They are really sharp. They can injure you. Then I cut the aloe vera into two pieces, like I cut it in the middle to get out all the gel. So that is me scooping out all the gel. I don't know why Ugandan aloe vera is just too hard. I have seen videos on YouTube where aloe vera has big gels, but in Uganda I don't see the big gel. So I used 5 aloe vera leaves. Then I get avocado, a very ripe avocado. I scoop out all of it. My avocado was so ripe that it had those not so good parts. So those are the ingredients I'm going to use for my hair mask. I blend the aloe vera gel so that turns into liquid form. You can use this in so many ways. You can put it in juice, you can put it in your hair as a spray. Then I get an egg, add it in my avocado. It is going to be like a protein hair mask for all those hairs that are so dry. So in my hair mask, I'm going to add a little of aloe vera juice. So we have avocado, aloe vera juice, and 2 eggs. My hair was really dry, very dry. I don't know if this is called hair porosity or something. My hair takes long to get soaked in water. It takes so long. Please tell me what I should do about this hair. First of all, it is too dry. and then it takes forever to soak in water. So I use the usual shampoo from AFRO MO. It has worked, Bambi. It has really worked. So this video has this is the last video when my shampoo got finished. I guess I'm going to try another brand. I had to put water in it so that I wash my hair. Crazy. I enjoy washing my hair. I really do enjoy washing my hair. Please subscribe, show me some love. Road to 500. I swear my hair takes long to really soak in water. So for the hair mask, I'm going to use VERA polythene bag, a hair dryer, and that bonnet. Bonnet is going to be like sitting under the dryer. I got it from eBay some years back when I even still had relaxed hair. But you guys, take a look at my hair. I swear, shrinkage is real. Shrinkage is real. If I'm saying it right, shrinkage. Here it looks so thick and very nice. Oh. So you get the hair mask. It is messy. You have to cover yourself, put on clothes that you don't really like so much. So yeah, I've put my hair into 2 sections, and let's mess everything up as we enjoy. After like some 20 minutes, this hair has taken in all the hair mask and it felt like it needed more. I should do this hair mask more often for my hair to keep in moisture. But it looks so good, but it still needed more. Next time I will make 2 avocados. Yeah. So I put on a VERA and a scarf. Then I get the dryer. I'm going to set it to 1, and then to speed of 1, and then heat of medium, not so high and not so low. Voila, we are under the dryer. Power has gone. Yeah, I was just under the dryer and poof, I thought it was yaka, but then it wasn't yaka. So yeah, I'm under the sun. So I'm using oil, hair and scalp spray, but then me, I just put it in my palms and massage through my hair. The leave-in conditioner still from AFRO MO, so good, so good. And shea butter, yeah, shea butter. My hair loves all these ingredients, that's why they have stayed forever. So I put the leave-in conditioner first in my hair. So I massage it through my hair. Guys, my hair is just so thick, good thick. So I massage the conditioner in my hair and massage on my scalp as well. I do this when my hair is not so dry but damp, wet-ish. Then after conditioner, I add oil, little oil. This oil has so many good natural oils that are very good for your hair. I think that's why my hair is not breaking so much. I massage it through the hair also. And lastly, a little goes on. I put on shea butter. For it, I first warm it up in my palms. See? And then I put it on. It is very good for the hair also. It can work as a sealant and as the oil. That's how good shea butter is. So I repeat the whole thing on the other section that was up, literally on the hair, on the whole head, just like that. I haven't combed my hair in a long time, and this is how much I've lost. Yeah guys, that brings us to the end of the video.